We're starting like right now. Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be sharing the recipe for Karahi. Not only one Karahi, but two different, mutton and chicken. And that also the street style. This is like the most necessary thing to eat when you go outside at a restaurant. Like the first thing you order is either mutton karahi or chicken karahi. So I'm going to be sharing both those recipes in one video, so it's like a 2-in-1 today. And this is like very easy to make and has the most minimum amount of things needed, and it's popular all over Karachi and Pakistan. So let's I'm going to be telling you the ingredients for the mutton karahi, and especially for the mutton karahi I'm using this clay pot, and this is very good for your health, so go ahead and use this. And also it gives an amazingly traditional taste to your food, so go ahead and use this. It'll give an amazing taste to your food. For the mutton karahi we are going to be needing 2 kg of mutton, 1 kg of tomato, 1 cup of oil, 1 tablespoon of red chili flakes, 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of cumin powder, and 1 tablespoon of paprika, 3 tablespoons of garlic paste, the lemon juice of 2 lemons, and for garnish we're going to be needing ½ cup of finely cut ginger, coriander, and chopped green chilies. I'm using paprika because we do not want spice in our food for karahi. We want the color to be there, the amazing color that we want, and so use paprika always whenever you're making karahi. Let's talk about the chicken karahi. Okay, the chicken karahi has the exact same recipe as the mutton karahi, but instead of using 2 kg of mutton, we're using 2 kg of chicken. And also, if you're in a hurry and want to make karahi, you make chicken karahi because it cooks faster than mutton. Okay, I will repeat the ingredients now. For this, we're going to be needing 2 kg of chicken, 1 kg of tomato, 1 cup of oil, 1 tablespoon of red chili flakes, 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of cumin powder, 1 tablespoon of paprika, 3 tablespoons of garlic paste, the lemon juice of 2 lemons, and for garnish we're going to be needing ½ cup of finely cut ginger, coriander, and chopped green chilies. So let's get cooking. Both my pots here, and I'm going to put them on medium flame. Second one. There. Okay. And we're going to be adding in the oil, salt, and garlic. Do not add ginger, please, because we're going to be adding it in a large quantity on the garnish. So just try this method and you'll see a huge difference. Oil there, oil here, and garlic here. Garlic here. Garlic's in. I'm gonna add in the salt here. And the salt here. I'm just gonna mix this until the garlic browns slightly. Garlic's well mixed in here. I'm just going to move to this side and mix the garlic in here. The garlic's well mixed in here. You need to add in the mutton here. And the chicken here. I'm just mixing this, and I'm going to put the lid on to both of these until the meat changes color. The chicken has changed color and is cooked, and we do not want to cook it any further, therefore I'm turning the stove off. But for the mutton, as I told you, chicken cooks faster than mutton, and it has changed color but has not cooked yet. So I'm gonna let the mutton cook, and I'm going to I'm going to put the heat on low fire. Remove the chicken off the stove because it is cooked, and now we're going to be preparing the masala. I have my tomato here. I'm just going to put it in this karahi, and then the red chili flakes, paprika, and zero powder, and the lemon juice. And I'm going to put this on the stove until the tomatoes soften. And I'm going to repeat the same thing for the mutton karahi. As you can see, the tomatoes are done, and I have the chicken here on the closed fire, and I am going to be adding the tomatoes into the chicken over here. And I'm gonna put this on high flame. And first mix this. As this is well mixed, I'm going to put this on high flame and put the lid on. Okay, you should make sure that do this before you're serving, and so do this before you're serving it on the table. Now comes the mutton karahi. Okay, I have the tomatoes here and they are done. So also the mutton is done also over here. As you can see, it is well cooked, and I'm going to be adding the tomatoes into this. Just take everything out. There. And I'm going to mix this. Okay. And now that it's mixed, I'm going to turn the stove on high heat. There. And put the lid on for around 10 minutes. Always do this before serving this to your guests so it's warm. Both the karais have been on the stove for around 10 minutes, and let's have a look at them. Da-da-da-da. Oh, look at those flames. So the chicken karahi is officially ready. And let's have a look at the mutton one. Okay, let me try. There you have it. Your mutton karahi is also ready. Okay, I'm gonna take both of these off the stove and bring them to the counter now. I have my chicken karahi to my right and the mutton karahi to my left. And both of these smell so good. You guys should really try this recipe. Like, look at them. Whoa. And then here's the mutton karahi. Da-da-da-da. Okay, now I'm just going to be adding on the garnish. For the mutton karahi, I'm putting it directly inside because, you know, it looks pretty. The garlic. Oh, ginger, yeah. And the green chilies. Ah! Sorry. Sprinkle them all on. And there you have it. Your mutton karahi is ready. And they look so good. Now let's head. Okay, I'm gonna put the lid on. Want to stay warm, don't we? Okay, and now the chicken karahi. I have the steel bowl here. You normally have these in restaurants, so just to give it that posh look, I have it here. I'm gonna put it in. Smells and looks so good. Like, if you don't make this, you're missing out on a lot of yumminess. There. Now I'm gonna add the garnish on. Now I have the coriander here. The ginger here. It's these small things that make it look so good. And there you have it. Your chicken karahi is ready. So there you have it. Now, final reveal. 3, 2, 1. Ta-da! There you have it. Your chicken and mutton karahi are ready. You guys should really try these recipes, and if you don't, you're missing out on the most amazing food in the world. And go ahead and try these. You will absolutely love it. And well, if you guys like this recipe, please tell me in the comments down below, and give this video a big thumbs up. Please like, subscribe, and share my videos. Bye!